I went and I looked in my stash of stuff, and this is so old. That's why it is good to go and look in your stash of stuff. So this is like tape. Different strips of tape. Now, I am going to measure. I think my red needs to be a little bit bigger if I want to put on a border. Now I am going to make it 6 by 5. And, oh yeah, okay, that's 5. Okay, paper gods are with me. Thank you, Jesus. So that is 6. And it was 5. So now let's take a peek. It's too big. Of course it's too big. It's okay. Just gonna play with it until I get it to the right size. Put that on it. Alright, I can take probably, let me see. Let's take a 1/2 inch off. And another 1/2 inch from the width. Let's take a peek. Peek there and peek there. And look up in my monitor. My monitor tells me a lot. I think just a little bit more off the height. That looks good. I'm going to come up 1/4 inch. Oh, can I take off just a little more? I don't want this embellishment to be touching the tape. But this is still just a little bit too big for me. Just have to keep going until you are happy with what you have. And I think that does it right there. Now, I know I am not going to have enough of one of these to go all the way around. So, I shall measure this 1/8 inch using my ruler here. I love this ruler. You know I love this ruler. Pencil. Here we go. This pencil is also very old. It's a Hello Kitty pencil. And I remember buying these for my students when a long time ago when I used to teach. And what you do is you shake it. It's sort of like an 8-ball, and you ask a question. And so, is this going to turn out okay? Oh, look, it says yes. See, it's like a yes-or. It's a 8-ball. You can ask it a yes or no question. Am I going to make a good dinner? Here we go. Oh, my word. It said not today. Well, that's a little scary. Because I get that meal box. Every plate. One of these days, I am going to do an every plate unboxing. And then I'll make a meal. I love every plate. It's like $50 a week. So there's my husband and me. It's $50 a week. That includes the postage. I get 8 meals, which is 2 meals a night. And sometimes I might have to add like a salad or another vegetable. But honestly, I have never had a bad meal. And I had people over for dinner this past Saturday, and I used one of the recipes in the box because I give you this whole worksheet recipe card thing, and they loved it. They thought it was wonderful. And what it was a chicken recipe, and it had lemon zest and lemon juice and sour cream. You pan fried the chicken, but then you made this sauce to go over it. It was fabulous. So I have a really thin solid black. And I am going to put this, I have this measured out, so I have a guideline right there and right there. Oops. Might be so old it won't stick. Yeah, there it goes. Okay. Give that a trim. I don't like these little things. I wasn't raised on little scissors. I was raised on the big ones. Yeah. Okay, so we'll just there so that it folds over. Folds over there. And now the other side, right on that line. Perfect. All right, and now I can just go all the way over, all the way over. That looks good. And we'll put this on it. Oh yeah. Remember, I'm using up what I have other than the few things that I got at Dollar Tree. So now I have to pick another one. How much room was there? Oh, plenty of room. So there is a black and white dot, or there's this. How much room do I have? Oh, I have lots of room. I kind of like this one. All right, so we'll put that, line it up, line it up right there and there. Oh, yeah. Do it on the top. Well, that didn't make too much sense. This one, they're the same length, but I didn't have any room to turn over on one of the edges. Now I just about barely do. That was really strange. See how much this side had? And I am going to get some tape just to make sure that this stays down. There's such a little fold over, and this one too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There. That looks really nice. Put that there. Oh yeah. Listen to me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Love it. All right, now, you know, you don't even have to go to Dollar Tree to get embellishments. You can make your own. If you have stamps or old Christmas cards, you know, you can cut things out. I am sure I probably had a Christmas card, an old Christmas card that would look nice there. But I did get these at Dollar Tree, so I wanted to use them. This needs to be glued. I do have a page that I tore out of the book. So, all right, I have the Beacon all-purpose tacky glue, which I did get at Dollar Tree. I need to go to Dollar Tree. I'm watching people, and it looks like there's some stuff I might like to have. At some point, I will be painting terracotta plant pots there. I have seeds that I bought. So on this embellishment, I don't want any bleeding because I'm afraid it'll stick to the paper. So I'm trying to find thick sections where I can dot the glue. I know it's going to spread a little bit. Oh, what am I talking about? I'm not gluing it on here. I'm gluing it on here. Oh my word. That is just wonderful. Every time I start a project, I always get nervous that things aren't going to turn out okay. But as you can see, they are. Sometimes during the journey, you have to just take a different road, which I had to do. I didn't get any glue on that, so I can save it to use it again. This is going to go here. I'll tell you, I have the worst problem with lights. I don't have professional lights down here, but I think I'm going to invest in some. We'll put glue on this. Uh-oh. I didn't keep it turned. I did not keep this upside down, so I'm having a little bit of an issue getting the glue out. Come on, Mr. Glue. I'm going to give that a moment. I have it upside down in my glass there to get down. Get down, get down. I might use this over here, but you know what else? I'm looking for the words, so let me find my words.